Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 20th through December 4th. We're expecting the AO to be positive, remains positive right through the 14-day period. And the current AO is reflective of, we'll go to the other maps here. We'll go to the 20th right here. And this is reflective of negative height anomalies across the Arctic and mixed anomalies across the mid-latitudes with the ridge trough configuration. And the NAO, we'll go back to the map, is also positive and was forecast to remain positive through the same period. And that is due to negative height anomalies across Greenland and Iceland. I just have the map here. See right around here. So and this is forecast to remain positive this week. Now we'll have a trough in the northwest. Let me go to this map. And we'll have, oops, wrong map. We have a trough here in the northwest and a ridge with zone of flow across the remainder of the country and a ridge over the Northeast Pacific. So we'll go here to the 20th, 24th. Here's our trough. Here's our ridge over the Northeast Pacific. Ridge here, zone of flow. So pretty much in agreement. Now we're going to look at this map. And this is the current water vapor imagery. And I don't know if you can see it right here. We have this moist subtropical jet that will send a couple of Pacific systems into the northwest. Let me go back here. And this will send a couple of Pacific systems into the region. Now we have one. We have one here moving in. Here's another system that came from the Pacific Northwest way back here and it traversed into the region, but then became more active as we have a moist flow interacting with a frontal boundary that will cause precipitation into portions of the plains into the Great Lakes. Northern areas here, you can see there'll be a mixed precipitation and snow. I don't know how to get rid of this square circle, but we'll get away from there soon. And then we're going to look at this another system. Here comes another one late in the period. And then we have more coming in as this Pacific jet sends us systems inland. Now areas of the southwest and northeast will experience above normal temperatures with anomalies near 20 degrees above normal, and temperatures will be near 15 degrees above normal in the east next week. We're going to look now at the period for November 25th to the 29th, and the flow doesn't change very much with the ridge near over the Northeast Pacific and the east. And we have below normal heights across most of Canada and the high latitudes. Okay, you see right there. So miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the country. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And the probability of occurrence is 45%, 35 to 45%. And then we have below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Then as we go into the last period, this is for November 30th to December 5th, or 4th, I'm sorry. The pattern remains generally the same, below normal heights here, trough here, near normal heights are near a zone of flow at near normal heights. And then after this period, we talked about yesterday the possibility of stratospheric warming, and that might be occurring thereafter, but we have to wait and see if the miles catch up. But so for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures again for a large area of the nation, with the anomalies near 4 degrees above normal, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and below normal precipitation forecast for much of this region here, with the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 20th through December 4th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.